came around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
No, first of all, Navika, I take strong objection to the comments made about the judiciary and invoking the state of Uttar Pradesh, thereby making very derogatory comments about the people of Uttar Pradesh. And I hope Akhilesh Yadav, I hope the other parties which ally with TMC in India Alliance, they should come out and take a stand whether they accept this or not. Now let me come to the main issue. आसमान और जमीन में एक ही एनर्जी, भ्रष्टाचारी बचाओ, भ्रष्टाचार पर lethargy. This is what is coming out of Mamata Banerjee's West Bengal today, simply because we have seen that, I don't know about tiger and tigress, but there is a jungle raj. Today it is not Ma Mati Manush, it is SIR हो तो भारी बचाओ, it is corruption हो तो भ्रष्टाचारी बचाओ, और कुछ ना हो तो हुमायूं बचाओ क्योंकि बाबरी, तो it is बाबरी, भारी and भ्रष्टाचारी. Now let me only put 2 or 3 points. First of all, it is being said day long that our strategy is being stolen. नाविका, मैं तो रिसर्च में आपको पता ही है कैसा रिसर्च करता हूं. मैंने वो ग्रीन फाइल थोड़ी सी रिसर्च की जो मुख्यमंत्री ने फाइल चोरी की थी, एविडेंस चोरी, उस फाइल पर लिखा है 2022. अब नाविका जी, मुझे तो नहीं पता कि 2022 की फाइल में 2026 के कैंडिडेट्स कहां से आ गए. Secondly, the TMC people are saying that IPAC office is handling all our TMC secrets. Chalo, let's accept that. So the IPAC office gets raided. Why the Bengal police goes to recover the TMC file? I can understand they can go for the state government file. Halaki, that point is also under a contention that how can a sitting CM obstruct an ongoing investigation and use the force to physically take away the evidence, and that in itself is unconstitutional and illegal. But what is the police doing in case of IPAC and TMC files? I can still understand government files. Third point, there are many Samvidhan Bachao Yoddhas sitting in this debate. Which provision of the Samvidhan or Kanun says that even if you feel an investigation is biased against you, let's assume for a moment, although this is not because Supreme Court, High Court both cleared it, it is going as per the law, that you will go and start obstructing an ongoing investigation. Boss, if you had the evidence for the last 3 years, 4 years, you should have got the case quashed, but you have not done it. This means that you are TMC, meaning too much corruption. And Navika ji, good she did not go to Partha's house, otherwise वहां से 10 करोड़ रुपया लेकर TMC वाले लोग आ जाते वो 50 करोड़ में से. I am glad that she has not gone to the house of Jyoti Priya Malik, वरना वहां से 15-20 बोरी जो है चावल और दाल की जो राशन स्कैम में चुरा रहे थे वो तौसीफ रहमान साहब लेकर आ जाते. I am glad they did not go to the house of Anubrata Mandal, वरना वहां पर जो कैटल स्मगलिंग के 3-4 गाय पकड़ के ले आते. I mean, what kind of argument? The first and only point of contention, Navika, today is that ED comes, they attack ED, CBI comes, they attack CBI, NIA comes, they attack NIA, CRPF comes, they attack CRPF. But this question,
BSF comes, but Shehzad Poonawalla, this question will be asked. Why does the ED and CBI go to states where elections are around the corner? That is a common pattern and every political party in the opposition raises it. So that question must be asked.
You see, just one line on that I will answer, because I can see that there is one more person sitting here, person of relevance, 2 persons of relevance. You remember ED went after the Sharab Ghotala in Delhi? When they went, Aam Aadmi Party was making same argument, but who was distributing peda and laddu? Pawan Kheda. He said to Navika, अरे नाविका पेड़ा खाओ, हमने स्टार्ट किया ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन. बोला था कि नहीं बोला था? और ये जो आम आदमी पार्टी यहाँ पे इनोसेंट चेहरा लेकर बैठी है ना, भूपेश बाघेल पर जब ईडी का क्वेश्चनिंग हुआ लिकर स्कैम में, दे सेड वेरी गुड, ईडी मस्ट अरेस्ट हिम. ये कैसा है इनका मामला? ईडी becomes good when they want it and ED becomes bad. Go to Supreme Court and get it quashed.
But why the ED is not working? No, why the ED is not working on non-BJP states? Why during elections, Shehzad bhai? Come on, let's discuss on this also. Election के दौरान में क्यों होता है? You ask Suvendu Adhikari also when you are talking about Jyoti Priya Malik, when you are talking about Partha Chatterjee, this is the same Suvendu Adhikari in the video while taking the money is still in your party.
Don't heckle, sir. Don't heckle.
No, sir. अरे माफ कर दो.
आपने एक ही लाइन में जवाब. अरे एक लाइन में जवाब देता हूँ. सुनिए नाविका जी, नहीं आप हैकल, मुझे तो अपना, मैं आपका भाई नहीं हूँ, मैं घुसपैठिया नहीं हूँ, मैं आपका भाई नहीं हूँ.
आप बोलना चाह रहे हैं हम बंगालिया घुसपैठिया हैं?
समय क्यों होता है? वन लाइन.
You want to say we Bengalis are घुसपैठिया?
अरे आप बंगाली नहीं हो.
You want to say we Bengalis are घुसपैठिया?
आपने कौन से अपने आप को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं? पहले आप अपने,
आप मुझे बताइए.
Come on, let's, no, come on, 1 minute. You know, let's not go let's not go off track from the debate. Let's not bring in COM and this and that. Let's come back to the moot point.
Just one line. Just one line answer. Just one line answer. Navika, just one line. Just one line. इन्होंने बोला कि चुनाव के समय क्यों नाविका every 1 month there is an election in this country. Let's have 1 nation 1 election. एक काम करते हैं 1 nation 1 election करवा देते हैं, फिर 5 साल में एक बार चुनाव होगा, बाकी के टाइम कार्रवाई होगी.